Hello and welcome back to today's morning report. Charles Fraser's on Tuesday, the 26th of January, the Rich Perry market analyst at Hantech Markets. Moving on to euro dollar. Just in the last few minutes, actually, we've just started to see the euro dollar just creep a bit lower as some of these sort of safe haven trades are just beginning to unwind. The oil price has just started to rally, so that's pulled the euro dollar a little bit lower. But you would still argue that what we have in place is probably pressure here on the bottom of this old pivot band that we've sort of saw for the back end of last week and then early into this week, but Monday we saw a bounce back off it. You'd still see that that's probably under pressure because looking at these momentum indicators, there is still a bearish bias, you would argue. Still a sequence of lower highs over the last couple of months. It's still the RSI falling away. Still the stochastics also falling away as we speak. Today the stochastics are still falling as well. So it's just sort of edging towards a proper test of that 108.10. I mean, I still got 108.10. I mean, on the hourly chart, it sort of comes in around 108 figure as the key level. 108 figure. Big pivot level, just breached a couple of times intraday, but still not decisively. And in the last sort of hour or so, the euro has just started to fall away again, as I said. MACD lines crossing over, sell signal, RSI rolling over. Not a sell signal on the RSI, but certainly deteriorating. And stochastics also falling over on the hourly chart as well. So this little mini rally that we've had yesterday seems to have sort of run out of steam around that 108.70 area. And interesting because that 108.60 is a bit of a pivot, isn't it, on this hourly chart? 108.60, few lows, reaction high, sort of initial sort of basis resistance, and then just slight breach and then bang down. So that is still in place, I'd say, as a reaction, as a pivot level. But yeah, certainly the momentum in this rally seems to have sort of lost its way. We could now see a retest of sort of support levels that come in here. I mean, you've got the minor sort of pivots. To be honest, there's not a great deal of real support until you get all the way back to sort of 108 area, is there? So you could well see that this little rally has just run out of steam again, and it's only 40 ticks away from that now anyway. So could quite easily see a retest of the bottom of that band. Certainly, if the oil price continues to rebound, which oil price has been driving the safe haven moves, and maybe a supported oil price will help that. To help that sort of flight back out of the euro, which would pull it lower. So it's still searching for direction on the euro, but there is a just gradual trend towards sort of testing the bottom of this old pivot, and seems to be what we've got at the moment. So it'll be interesting to see how this one pans out, but it's not a decisive chart in any way at all, the euro at the moment. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.